Guys, where is the convoy, guys?
Come on, Towers, we need to do towing work, please.
Miami, can you please come drop here in my head?
Can I get another check? Where are you going, man? NG base?
Far bro, we are going to bus.
What?
Wanna come?
Yeah.
Blue, what's how many units here?
5, 6.
No, I need more units here.
No, are you going to
Hey,
be
can you
in
check
the
for me
site?
for the booking?
Info officer.
It's already delayed. Store robbery Calavera
Sikandar, tell
family.
NG to we will
Store
enter.
robbery Calavera
Okay.
family. Volunteer
From which
hours
gate?
two stars.
Don't shoot.
93. Okay, nice.
10-5 Sikandar.
From which gate?
South. Don't overspeed guys. Alex.
Um. Um.
We need one per unit. Can I want one? That nice party.
We have needed. Look. I am.
Hello, towing units. Hello, into penalty parking.
Guys, we need one more unit, please.
If you are sleeping at the HQ, just go to the turret, please. Thank you.
Lord,
We need one more
come
unit.
on, bro, to the warehouse.
Guys, are you doing tour read? How many units you have? Alex,
Currently we have 3 units. Right now it's penalty parking. I'm waiting for more.
can you delay your can you delay your tour read and
Show
come
me
to the
taking the
base?
apartment.
Hello, sir.
10-5.
Yeah,
Can I see your ID? Mami, where are you
today
taking the apartment?
For land heli, man.
Land. We've already entered the HQ. What are you taking permission?
Hey, we 10-20. Hey, we 10-20.
I am at the NG base right now.
No units. 9 units.
Send 2 units to each gate.
Half. Guys, some
We look after all.
radio check.
Good check.
Good.
Guys, go to north and south gate. Divide yourself. Alex and Vanch, south gate.
I'm going to north, guys.
Can
Ah,
you
you
please
can go,
get
Alex.
more units of penalty parking, please? We need to finish towing, right?
Let's go to south gate. Base, okay, and take care of the gates. Make sure there are 2
10-4.
units on each gate every time.
10-4.
Take ones with you.
10-4.
Hele, you can you get in car and go to the gates, please?
Yeah,
Do
sure.
like good for us.
We don't have much people here, isn't it?
Hello, sir. Can you please call one more LSPD over here? Oh, he's already there. My bad.
Right. Once
Yep.
you guys are at
Daniel,
South and North Gate, make sure you know which gate you're on and radio it.
Yeah, me and someone else is at the North Gate.
10-4 Haley. South Gate. I'll copy.
He's on South Gate, I think.
I
Go
cannot
to
see the
Southgate,
name
guys.
directly.
Somebody go to Southgate.
listen to me.
I'll
If
go
anyone enters the
South Gate.
base,
I'll
check
copy.
their ID. If they have already entered,
I need
I
to
you
will
are
come with
okay
you.
to shoot them, okay?
So 2 units
10
on
4,
South Gate,
sir.
2
10
units on
4.
North Gate.
Thank you so much.
Mhm.
Take
Yep.
care of our base
Hi.
and we'll quickly do a run for you.
You
Okay,
missed this
thank you.
place or not?
Yeah, I was here as well. I think
Labor
at the
1 for
previous
unit.
time before
Yeah.
LSPD.
We need to do a touring. Urgent.
Whoever is at the headquarters, go ahead and start towing, please. Adam Waltz, if you're at the HQ.
Um,
Second how copy?
Good copy, Alex.
Loose was waiting for you at HQ.
We are busy saying we are doing candy.
The boss has still not washed their vehicles. They are still here at the same location. I think they don't miss their 3 vehicles. They have enough.
There is an event at 20.
Alex,
There is
are
a
we still doing the
Yeah,
touring or
I
what?
think
Yeah, we're doing wait.
very soon is it as well time for the
Hmm.
encashment, but yeah,
Waiting.
we'll see if
no,
it.
no, I don't think there is FIB events. I don't know what events is.
Black market rate probably. Gang rate, black market
Maybe
rate.
gang raid.
Yeah.
I just left FIB yesterday. They still didn't remove my logs.
Wait, I'm coming in 2 minutes.
I still receive all the pagers.
So you are someone that is incognito. You are working in 2 orgs at the same time.
Yes, they didn't remove my logs yet.
Yeah, but they have probably so much to do, so much to handle it. Because FIB is one of the biggest orgs.
Yes, but bro, I was there 1 month. I didn't get any bonus, bro. For 1 month.
For me personally, bonuses, it is handy, but it's not the most important thing for me, you know.
No, no, but I'm talking about department bonus.
Uh-huh. Like if you are going to events and
Alex,
this and
how much time left?
yeah.
1 minute, wait.
Okay, no worries. I'm just asking you.
We are using a
How copy?
lot of AR, I
Second,
think.
how copy?
What?
Good copy.
Ladies and
We
gentlemen, I wanna
we are
talk to
using
in this area.
a lot of AR ammunition.
1020.
Main
Wait
barracks.
for the radio. I can't hear you.
10.
But
I mean
that
warehouse,
but
my
that
bad.
was always a thing, even under Jessica's term. Was like the ARs were always empty.
I'm using AR.
Yeah, and then we had to go to to those PVWs. Yeah, that's
But PDW don't make
Okay.
more
Any high
ammo
command
than
no.
available at HQ?
It's like the AR is day and
Any
night
high command
different
available at
than the
HQ? Can someone
BMW
please out
Alex,
us?
how copy?
than the
Good copy.
PVW.
I'm dealing with SHP and Wargun.
Can you place orders, please?
Oh yes, and for wait.
It is day and night different. ARs are way better, but of course we have also to pay attention that people are not gonna steal AR ammunition because we had that happen a lot way back in the
Yeah.
day. That we were saying, but we have just received 2 times
Can we do
6
this
trucks. Where is all the? And then we found out someone was looting all the ARs out of it. Like,
Oh.
like what? Like what the hell are you doing?
Yeah.
I'm quite sure that still happens.
The user for copy.
But yeah.
In which department you are, Haile?
TE.
Which
Only
department you are?
TE does the towing things, fines.
Okay.
Yep. I wish that I could have done more tow rates today, but the numbers were in the morning not that good, so I couldn't do it.
Yeah.
Sikandar, are you giving cover from
Otherwise,
Helleride?
I
How is
was
it?
doing it without any
10
problem.
for
So my plan is Vansh, you cover from the back, me and me cover from front. Okay.
10 for.
Southgate, have copy?
Guys, be on standby. Possible work.
Guys, we
You are the grander newbie.
guys, we just
Tell your
got
people to be on standby for possible.
we,
now just
Oh,
go
there
we
is a
just
store
got
of
informed by the FIB for a possible raid, and we have a store at the same time.
Once land it, let me talk with Andy.
Get ready
Vansh,
for
bring the car.
yeah, get ready for a possible raid. So
Ask them to scout.
we have to split our units between the store and this AC raid because yeah, they are both important. And we don't even have enough numbers to actually split it.
Yeah. Normally we have to leave.
Guys, leave the
and
NG base
join
and
the store.
respond to the store ASAP.
That's what I said.
Units at the gate, you can leave the gate. I will talk with NG.
10-4. Me and Alex are heading towards the south gate. Let's go. There's always
What will
something.
you do, man? Hello?
There's always
Response to
coming
one store.
something between it, you know.
Show me 1072
Yeah.
store with 2 additionals.
Sadiq, come.
Show me heading towards the store with 1 additional from Southgate. Let's kill those people that is doing the store. Because if there is an SC coming, then we have to go immediately over there. Let's go.
LSPD, do we still have people on the gates?
10-2, me and Alex left because we got orders
LSPD
to go to the
response to
store.
global ASAP,
Did you get
guys. I need
replacements?
more units on global.
10-2, 10-2. There was one NG driving at that time, so...
Ellie, can you
Respond to the
guys...
globe police.
Ellie, can you guys both return, please? We can't leave their gates empty.
10-4, me and Alex will return to the north gate.
Are they... Wait, are they still doing the ammo pizza for
Leave
us?
it. Leave the gates. I have talked with NG. They will replace them.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah,
Okay,
we got the order to go to the store.
10-4, Ellie, come.
Oh, this one. Oh, no. Hell no. This is a bloody mess.
Yeah.
Respond.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Hello. Also that tow unit?
We need
Yes,
numbers
bro.
so you can respond because I need numbers. I
Yeah.
need maximum numbers.
Yeah, this is a special area.
Get out of the zone, guys. What are you doing?
Let's come out of this.
And demands if they don't have a hostage, you leave the zone.
Have they an hostage?
No idea who took the demands.
Then for sir.
Guys, send the local, please.
If I beat, do they have a hostage?
They does not have a hostage. Demands given.
Okay. So nobody should stay in the zone then. Guys, leave the area of operations and come where all of us are.
Where is EMS?
This is gonna be a very difficult area.
Bilu,
like
get
always.
as many people as you possibly can. And SHP as well. Spam your left eye, drop locals, everything.
Yeah.
Get them all to come.
Come.
Hello, can I get a radio check?
Sorry.
Loud and clear.
Okay, please send the local.
Guys, drop 911 call for EMS.
Come on. Yeah. And she cannot attend
Send
gun
more numbers.
stores.
Come to the store.
I can send the local, please.
You have a bazooka? Psycho.
What the
Okay,
fuck?
fine.
What your
What the fuck is going on here?
Psycho, come Psycho.
We all died.
Sorry, must buzz.
Over to the helis. Come.
We're gonna be dead anyway. Yep, this
Come
area.
over to the heli.
Out of the
Are
area
you
of
coming?
operations, come back in. James,
More
come.
units come.
James,
Guys, come.
James,
Just come to
come.
the store.
Stop sleeping at HQ.
Once again, guys, LSPD should not enter area of operations. Wait for orders.
Plans and I'll take the purple. EMS, you're inside the
LSPD,
parameter.
stop parking your vehicles in the middle of the
The
road.
helicopter out of the parameter.
No, no. Oh, the helicopter. Yes, I know.
Yeah, it's inside the parameter, just saying.
Oh.
What the hell?
Oh, I hear voice of study. Where is study?
Shot, I want
Guys,
shot.
guys, come
I want
inside.
Yeah, giving a shot.
How are you, Kobe?
Elliot, what's the...
SHP, move.
Thank you.
We are gonna be dead anyways.
We cannot sell medkits here.
SHP, SHP. SHP, you need to
yes,
move your
yes.
vehicle to the other side if there is no space. You're still blocking the road.
Guys, just please park your car
Guys,
properly.
stop flipping at the HQ
SHP,
and come.
please
I want
park your
more
car
units.
properly.
Shots.
I need.
What the hell are you doing?
What's up?
Oh, that's... This place is... I cannot say.
Yeah, I can show it behind me.
Can you all go over to the helis to...
All LSPD, come over to me
no
at the
seat, bro.
helicopters back here. Come to the back.
Did EMS arrive or not?
Alrighty.
Hello, vegetable.
Yes.
How are you?
What's the plan, guys?
Yeah.
Tell everyone to come to the global.
Yo, bro. You're taking shot right now.
Oh my god, bro. We have times to take shot, bro. Let's make a plan first.
Elliot, give me juice.
I have no juice.
Elliot,
The
any
V-
idea?
Why?
Can you tell me? Or
What's the
Rexo,
veto?
Rexo. Rexo. Wake up, bro. What's the plan?
SAU, where are you?
Rexo
Yes,
is there,
I'm
bro.
here,
He's
sir.
sleeping.
Rexa, the plan.
I'm waiting for Rexo. If he don't say, I will say.
He's saying.
Yes. I can't hear him.
Maybe don't park on the road like that, bro.
Rexo, cough drop if you're speaking.
Guys, come to the heli from EMS.
Hello.
For entrance shot.
Speak louder, speak louder.
SF.
I can't hear him, bro. I don't know why.
Tell your idea,
It's,
bro.
Just tell me IDs, bro. Just I mean ideas, bro.
Cough drop, Rexo.
Oh my
Sorry.
Rio, can you shut the fuck up? He's
I
speaking, we can
can't
all
hear
hear
him.
him.
Yes, I can hear you.
EMS.
Okay.
EMS,
I need radio
heli.
silence.
Hell.
Yes, Ria, speak.
Rio. Yes. We are listening to you.
Oh, hell. So you see, we will they have the boat roof, so we will be entering from the left side. After we enter from the left side, there are some houses. From under the houses, we will try to distract them from that side. LSPD, SHP will never mind. LSPD and SHP will go from that side, and FIB will push from this side. So you guys go,
Okay.
enter, and you distract that side. We will enter from here, and we will kill them. Climb the
We'll
roof
push
and
with helis as well.
Yeah.
10 for you, sir.
What the hell, bro? Tell
So
spec off
in
a
this
few
we need
helis.
helis or not? In this we need helis or not?
We need.
Okay,
Yes,
so
sir, we need.
We need heli.
Feel-
So there is
Spec
like
ops,
1,
field
2, 3.
helis.
There is a
take the
5
wolves.
heli. So how many should in there is heli?
What? We got so many
There-
helis. I think so. We
yeah.
got 4 helis.
No,
We can like
more
fill
than
all
4.
four people with the helis, and there will be 16 people.
Damn,
Everyone,
damn.
SAU spec ops inside the helis.
That's my boy. Smart.
That's not smart, bro.
If you can shoot, get in a heli.
Alright, LSPD, if you're confident in your shooting, get in helicopters.
I am not
wait.
that good in it.
LSPD, when you enter to a department that you guys enter, let us know that you enter.
Where is the
To a
LSPD
department that you
helicopter?
guys enter.
Lou, push from the opposite side, you know what we're talking about, yeah?
Move.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, okay, cool. Just get all your units with SHP over there as well.
Can you?
Let's get into cars because if we run, we're gonna get mowed down.
Guys, where is oh my god.
Oh!
LSPD helicopter.
LSPD, fill the helicopters, rest of you get in the vehicles.
LSPD don't
Right.
have helicopter.
Get ready.
Okay, then
Have
get
your
in the
guns
cars.
out. As soon we are entering the
Are we running?
the area, the guns are gonna be. Oh,
Park your cars, park your cars.
Let's go. We are fighting. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
Don't park here. Don't park here. Don't park here. Chotu, don't park here, bro. No, go back.
Fuck!
Guys, FIB told us to go to the other side. Bro. He told us to go to the other side.
Yes, but we can't. We have push it there.
Yeah.
Left side, guys. 100.